If you've already gotten your ballot or you're waiting to cast your vote, you'll see that there's several propositions in this upcoming election. I'm Eric J. Docker, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter. One thing you should vote for is Proposition 36. This proposition will make several key changes when it comes to the punishments for drug and theft crimes. Proposition 36 would amend a Proposition 47, which allowed theft of $950 or less and most drug possession charges to be changed from felonies to misdemeanors. A change that is welcomed by some.
So as it made it to the ballot, it is a reform to Proposition 47 and allowing us to hold criminals accountable. Long story short is the Homelessness, Theft, and Drug Addiction Act. And for many of us in this community, and especially in our downtown community where the Greater Bakersfield Chamber is, we see this every day.
Some arguments published in the official general election voter information guide say Proposition 36 is too extreme and a wasteful approach that makes California less safe. Those two arguments say the prop will cost millions in taxpayer dollars, cut funding for mental health, drug and rehabilitation programs, all while bringing back a 1980s drug war style tactics that fill prisons with people with drug offenses. While business owners who are in favor of these penalty charges, they still understand behind these crimes are people in need of help.
I literally have 2 people overdose in my parking lot. So they came in and asked me for water. I had given to them. This was in the summer. And walked out, they just fell. So middle of my parking lot. I mean, I felt sad.
Part of Proposition 36 includes drug treatment requirements.
It's really designed to help be able to provide some level of drug diversion courses, mental health related treatment, to be able to offer treatment for people who need it first. But for those who refuse to take advantage of that treatment, there is an accountability piece to be able to stay in custody.
To the rebuttal against Proposition 36, published in the voter guide, the statewide measure is a false promise, not a fix. You can read more arguments for and against Proposition 36 in the General Election Official Voter Information Guide. For 23 ABC, I'm Eric J. Docker, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter.